Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to erase your iPhone. So restoring your device to factory setting is easy. Before you start, make sure you have an iCloud backup or a backup saved on your computer. A factory reset erases all of the data on your iPhone, so you need a backup if you want to save your content or settings or transfer them to a new device. You'll also want to have your Apple ID and password handy. If you want to restore to factory settings from your iPhone, go to Settings and tap General. Then scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap Erase all content and settings and tap Continue. Then enter your passcode. If you have screen time enabled, you will also be prompted to enter your screen time passcode. Now just wait for your backup to finish. Next, enter your Apple ID password. Tap Turn Off in the top right corner of your screen and tap Erase iPhone. Now just wait for your iPhone to erase. This may take a moment or two. When the process is complete, you will see the hello screen. You can also restore your iPhone to factory settings using your Mac or PC. If you are using Mac OS Catalina or later, you'll use the Finder. In Mac OS Mojave or earlier, or if you are using a PC, you'll use iTunes instead. First, you will need to turn off Find My on your iPhone. You won't be able to restore it until you do this. In Settings, tap your name, tap Find My, then tap Find My iPhone and turn it off. When prompted, enter your Apple ID password, then tap Turn Off in the top right corner of your screen to confirm. Next, connect your iPhone to your computer and open the Finder or iTunes. Then select your device from the sidebar. To sync your computer with your iPhone, click Trust. Now tap Trust on your iPhone to continue. Then enter your passcode. Now click Restore iPhone. Next, you'll erase all content and settings from your iPhone. So make sure you have an iCloud backup or a backup on your computer. That way you can retrieve your data later. Click backup if you need to make a backup or click don't backup to continue without making one. Click restore to confirm. Then wait for your computer to install the latest version of iOS on your iPhone. Your device will restart and after a moment or two, you will see the hello screen. And that's it. So that's how you can erase your iPhone. If this video helped you out, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.